All right, so Annayia was sent to me over by Elite Models to have her portfolio updated. She's a new face, and that week I was quite busy, so I didn't really have enough time to plan a full concept. So I decided to keep things simple and shoot in my garden. I knew I had a few things in the house that could elevate the space, so I went looking in my closet to see what I could use. Then I found a picnic blanket. I tried to finesse it in a few ways. One of the ways I did was to layer it with a stool underneath. I like the images that came out from those shots, and the second try was to just lay the picnic blanket on the floor, and again, love the shots from that. I shot Annayia on 4 cameras, which I tend to do quite a bit, mainly because I don't have all the lenses that I would like to have on my mirrorless camera, so I get to use my medium format cameras to get a similar look or effect. So I shot the Mamiya RZ67, and on this I have the 90f 3.5 on this camera. It's maybe about a 45 on the full frame camera, and then on the Mamiya 645 I have the 80, which is I think the most common lens I've seen around with this camera. It's a really good lens, don't sleep on it. It also opens up to 2.8, and I think surprisingly my favorite shots from this particular test shoot came from this particular camera, and I was caught off guard with that, mainly because I don't really take this camera out. When I had the opportunity to shoot in my house this time around, I decided to use this particular camera. When I'm shooting a 645, I usually would just stick to the Pentax 645, but that's because I'm usually out somewhere and I feel like the Pentax 645 is a bit more rugged, and I can kind of mishandle that a bit. If it drops, I'm not too worried, but with this one I would be a bit more gutted if it did. So I decided to use this camera this time around, and I really like the images that came out from this camera. It was great, and I think what this means is I probably will be using this a lot more. As a matter of fact, I had another shoot that I recently did with a friend where I took this camera to, and again, very surprised by what I got from it. So cheers to the 615. The third camera, or the fourth camera, because I already mentioned the mirrorless camera, the fourth camera I used was the Pentax 6.7. Now I have the 105 f2.4 on this. Hope you guys really enjoy the images, and see you soon. Peace.